Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore everyday items and tell you exactly what makes them worth your time. Today, we're featuring what we think is the best Kiss imPRESS nails in medium length. The ideal edition of the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press on nails. Let's dive right into it. This is a complete at-home manicure kit, designed for effortless beauty and zero mess. The shade is called Ideal, a classic beige with a natural finish that fits into almost any aesthetic. The nails come in a coffin shape and medium size, which means they offer that chic salon-style look without being too dramatic or too short. Whether you're heading to work or out to dinner, they strike the perfect balance. Inside the box, you'll find 30 press-on nails, more than enough to find your ideal fit. But the kit doesn't stop there. You also get a prep pad, an instruction sheet, one manicure stick, and a mini file. Everything you need to go from bare nails to flawless in just minutes. Application couldn't be easier. These nails are truly no glue. They come with a built-in, new and improved adhesive that gives you long-lasting wear. Just peel off the backing, press the nail onto your natural nail, and you're good to go. No mess, no dry time, no fuss. It's a one-step process, so you don't need any prior experience to achieve great results. Kiss uses what they call reverse dual injection technology to ensure durability. That means the tips are reinforced, giving you a long-lasting, salon-quality look that won't chip or lift easily. The nails also feel comfortable and lightweight, almost like they're your own. The bond is impressively strong, pun intended. These nails rarely budge until you're ready to take them off. And when that time comes, they're easy to remove, damage-free. Simply soak your fingers in warm water or use a bit of nail oil to loosen the adhesive. Another standout feature is the natural matte finish. It doesn't look plastic or overly shiny, giving you a clean and understated look that's perfect for everyday wear or even special occasions. For those who are tired of expensive trips to the nail salon or hate the smell and mess of nail glue, this product is a fantastic alternative. Whether you're on a budget or just short on time, the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani in Ideal offers a convenient, stylish solution. So, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and stunning set of press-on nails, the Kiss imPRESS Ideal medium coffin nails are definitely worth a try. They're fast, beautiful, and perfect for anyone who wants that polished look without the effort. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. See you next time.